The Wattsan DUOS 1290 ST is a medium format laser CO2 machine that is intended for cutting non-metallic materials and mass production. The Wattsan machines have a wide range of functions, high speed of operation and accuracy, and quality of cutting materials even when working 24/7. Durability and high quality of operation. The machine working area of 1200 by 900 millimeters allows easy processing of medium-sized sheet materials. The Wattsan 1290 DUOS ST is equipped with two cutting heads that work synchronously with a minimum distance of 130 millimeters from each other. This speeds up the production process by 2 times. Each head has a laser tube Wattsan F6 with the power of 100 to 120 watts that allows working at the highest speed. A through table allows working with sheet and roll materials. The machine is used in woodworking and furniture industry, packaging design, outdoor and interior advertising, production of souvenirs, toys, board games, and educational games, cutting materials for textile and footwear industry and other areas. The Wattsan 1290 DUOS ST cuts wood, plywood, MDF, chipboard, and other wooden materials up to 12 millimeters thick, as well as paranite, plexiglass, solid polycarbonate, plastics, including 2-layer, up to 20 millimeters. It can also handle fabrics, fur, rubber, cardboard, paper, stone, and some other materials. The complete set of the machine includes a lamella table, but you can also buy a honeycomb table for cutting fabrics and layouts with many small pieces. The rigid framework increases the reliability and durability of the machine. The metal body thickness is 2.9 millimeters. This eliminates vibrations, ensuring that the accuracy is maintained for a long time without additional adjustment. The gantry is made of aircraft aluminum and is 5 millimeters thick, up to 7 millimeters in the corners. The workhead is driven by 3-phase stepper motors. They ensure high speed and precision of operation. Belt gearboxes remove loads from the stepper and contribute to smooth operation, increased accuracy, and quality. 15 millimeter thick PMI guide rails provide precise operation and are designed to withstand continuous loads over the life of the machine. The basic version of the machine is equipped with a 120 watt laser tube. The universal fastening of a laser tube allows adjusting its position for easy alignment. The reduced nozzle provides clean cut with no carbon deposits on the end face of the workpiece. The machine is equipped with a water stroke sensor that ensures automatic switching off of the Wattsan 1290 DUOS ST in case of failing of the cooling system. This will save your laser tube from overheating. The water cooling and air supply systems are separated with electrics in different parts of the machine. We care about your safety. The Ruida RDC 6445G control system provides autonomous operation of the machine according to the set program. Files can be imported via Wi-Fi, LAN, USB. The controller has built-in memory and is capable of saving files from a USB stick. We provide an official 1-year warranty on our machines. You can always find all necessary universal components in any region of the world. The machine can be ordered on any convenient delivery terms: CIF, FOB, EXW, CPT. The mission of Wattsan machines is to guarantee the highest quality of the final products. For more detailed information about machines, characteristics, and price, call us or visit our website.